Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and we got Beth and Brandon's 67 Camaro convertible RS back in the shop. We just sorted out some minor electrical issues and I did a quick buff and detail on it to bring that black back to shine. But previously, when they first got it, we did a ton of stuff to it. Center console install was never there. New carpet also. Trunk kit. Speakers, amps. The trunk side panels were a kit. We obviously added the amp, trunk carpet, and then we also did this LED Camaro add-on panel, so you can see what you're doing in the trunk at night. In the bottom of the center console, we also added LEDs. So it really looks like a stock interior until you open up the doors and you get a little extra lighting. Also did kick panels with speakers in it. We did a bunch of mechanical stuff. Also tubular control arms, new transmission, aluminum heads, valve covers, new alternator, bigger wires for the speakers and amps. It's really just a super nice driver, traditional muscle car look to it. Did a little bigger tire in the back. Then the front, these are 255 60-15s. Got some nice rubber on there. Did QA1s. So we got that stance, I think, just right. It's got a thumper cam in it. Fire it up. Got a little bit of rumble. Really streetable. But she's got a nasty romp to her. And when you get on it, it goes. How can you not love the hideaway headlights? chugs with the thumper cam. Out when you get on it. Sometimes in traffic you got to hit the brakes to get out of a situation. Sometimes you got to hit the gas to get out of a situation. All right, we got the Camaro out in the sun, looking shiny. The hoist is occupied, so I can't put it up on the hoist. Show you the tubular control arms all the way around, and the QA1s all the way around, the big sway bars all the way around, and we did do subframe connectors. If you have a car that has subframe connectors available to purchase and install them. They totally stiffen up the body flex. I got them on my 79 Trans Am, and I swear the T-top rattles stopped by about 80% when I put them on. But to each their own. So she's ready to be picked up. That black is shining in the sun for sure. Look at that. Woo! Somebody knows what they're doing. All right. Look at that stance. Let me just get back here and look at that stance. Look at how those tires fit in those wheel wells. All right. That is that for this one. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you guys like the stock looking Camaros, modified Camaros? I'm gonna say street machine Camaros because I don't believe the term resto mod. That's a Barrett Jackson term. Or maybe you're like me and you like the way more obnoxious looking Trans Ams and Firebirds. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment would be awesome, and I do appreciate it. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. We really do appreciate it. Thank you.